Also helping ensure a peaceful and orderly observance is the Metro Manila Development Authority. MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino did the rounds of Metro Manila in line with the agency's Oplan Kaluluwa program. George Bandola reports.
MMDA officials have inspected cemeteries, flower shops and bus terminals in Manila in preparation for the upcoming Undas. MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino says the inspection is to determine if these areas are clean, safe and ready for November 1 and 2. He says this inspection is under the Oplan Kaluluwa program of the MMDA. Tolentino first inspected the La Loma Cemetery that started around 9:30 a.m. Tolentino says La Loma Cemetery is clean and is ready for Undas. He adds additional traffic enforcers will be deployed since heavy traffic is expected in the area during Undas. Next stop was at the North Cemetery. Tolentino says one exit will be open going to Quezon City to ease the traffic situation during Undas. He says 2,837 MMD personnel such as street sweepers and paramedics will be deployed in different cemeteries such as Manila Memorial Park, Loyola Memorial Park, both in Sucat and Parañaque, and in the North and South cemeteries. For security purposes, Tolentino says deadly weapons, alcohol, loud music, and littering are prohibited.
Kailangan natin yan. We'll make the announcement in the appropriate time.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. Chairman, paano yung mga arrangement niyo lang sa kalsada? Kasi yung iba may reblocking din ngayon eh. Yung ibang mga...
Wala tayo ngayon sa Metro Manila. Wala tayo ngayon. Wala.
So lifted, walang papayagan, Chairman, ng magsagawa ng road repair, etc.
Merong ongoing ang DPWH sa Caloocan, Quezon City area. Ongoing.
Pero hindi apektado.
Wala.
So over yung itong holiday,
Wala tayong nakikita pa.
He also visited Dangwa and inspected different flower shops and the traffic situation in the area. Last stop at the inspection was the bus terminals in Manila, where he says thousands of commuters are expected this week.
So, yung Oplan Kaluluwa, ni on-site, ni off-site. Ang on-site natin, yung services sa sementeryo, paglilinis, traffic management sa loob ng sementeryo, traffic management sa labas. Off-site, ito na nga yung mga bus terminals. Yung entry points natin, NLEX, SLEX, kasama rin yung sa ginawa natin ng traffic management scheme. So, mas malawak ngayon yung Oplan Kaluluwa.
Tolentino says they are still reviewing if number coding will be lifted for provincial buses on October 30 and 31. Number coding will be, however, be lifted for November 1 and 2. For People's Television, George Bandola.